Hello everyone, welcome to the Way to English channel. My name is Ashish. Today we are going to learn irregular verbs with meaning. Before watching full video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notified all latest updates and notification. If you liked this video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Post your comment below. Let's get started. Abide means accept or obey a rule or decision. Backbite makes spiteful talk about an absent person. Bear, give birth. Another meaning also is there. Bear, carry luggage, etc. Beat, strike repeatedly. Become, begin to be. Begin, start. Bend, make or become curved. Bet, risk money against someone else's challenge. Bite, cut into with a teeth. Blend, mix. Blow, of wind, move, send out a through pursed lips. Break, separate into piece as a result of blow or strain. Bring, carry a company to a place. Build, construct by putting parts together. Burn, of a fire, flame or glow while using a fuel. Buy, get in return for payment or purchase. Catch, seize and hold something moving, capture. Chide means scold or rebuke. Choose means select. Come, move towards or into a place near a speaker. Cut, open or wound with a sharp implement. Divide. Dig, break up and turn over or move earth. Do, perform, act, carry out an action or task. Draw, produce a picture by lines and marks on paper, take out money, etc. Dream, have dreams while sleep. Drink, swallow or consume liquid or alcohol. Drive, operate a vehicle. Eat, chew or swallow food. Fall, move downwards quickly and without control. Feel, be aware of or examine by touch. Fight, take part in a violent physical struggle. Find, discover. Flee, run away. Fly, move through the air. Forget, feel to remember. Forgive, excuse, pardon. Get, obtain. Give, cause to have. Go, move forward. Grind, crush into a small particle or powder. Grow, develop. Have or has. Possess, belong to. Hang, suspend, drag in a particular way. Hear, listen. Hide, put out of sight. Hit, strike with one hand or a tool. Hold, support. Hurt, cause pain. Keep, have or stay in position. Lay, put down carefully. Lay, laid, laying. Lie, put one's body in a flat or resting position. Lead, cause to go with one. Learn, gain knowledge of. Leave, go away from. Lend, allow someone the temporary use of something. Let, allow, permit. Light, provide with light. Loss, have taken away from someone. Make, form by combining parts. Make, form by combining parts. Meet, come together with someone. Pay, give someone money for work or goods. Put, keep, place. Read, understand their meaning of written or printed words or symbols. Rend, tear. Rid, free of an unwanted person or things. Ride, sit on and control the movement of the horse, bicycle. Ring, make a clear resonating sound. Run, move at a speed faster than walking. Say, speak or utter words. See, perceive with eyes, look, watch. Seek, try to find. Sell, exchange goods, etc. for money. Send, cause to go or be taken to a destination. Set, arrange. Sleep, be asleep. Shake, move quickly and jerkily up and down. Shave, remove hair by cutting it off. Shed, have leaves, hair, etc. fall off natural way. Shine, give out or reflect light. Shoot, kill or wound with a bullet or arrow. Show, be or make visible. Shrink, become or make smaller. Shut, close. Sing, make musical sounds with the voice. Sink, go down below the surface of liquid. Sit, be or put in a position with one's body resting on the buttock. Sow, plant seed by scattering it on or in the earth. Speak, say something. Spend, pay money to buy goods, etc. Spread, open out so as to be wider, longer, etc. Steal, take something without permission. Strike, hit. Swear, promise. Sweep, clean by brushing away dirt. Swell, become large or more rounded. Swim, propel oneself through water by moving one's legs and hands. Swing, move back and forth. Teach, give lessons in the subjects to a class or pupil. Tear, rip a hole in. Tell, communicate information to. Think, have a particular opinion or belief. Throw, send through the air from one's hand. Tread, walk in a specified way or press down or crush with the feet. Under, stand, know or realize the intended meaning. Wear, have on one's body as clothing, decoration or protection. Weep, shed tears. Win, be the most successful in a contest. Withdraw, remove or take away. Wring, squeeze and twist to remove liquid. Write, mark letters, words or other symbols on a surface with pen, pencil, etc. Accept, agree, act, pretend, add, join together, admit, join, agree, accept, announce, declare, appear, become visible, apply, make a formal request, appoint, choose a person for a job, ask, try to obtain an answer, assume, guess, attend, be present at, better, hit hard, behave, act or react in a specified way, blame, hold responsible for a fault, blend, mix, bless, call God's favor upon, boycott, refuse to deal with, bury, put underground, cancel, declare that something arranged will not take place, carry, transport, support and move, charge, make or become different, cheat, act dishonestly or unfairly with profit, collapse, fall down suddenly, collect, bring or come together, command, give an order to, complete, to make complete, conduct, lead or guide, conceal, hide, confuse, bewilder, console, comfort in the time of sorrow, continue, not cease, control, influence, regulate, convey, communicate, cook, prepare food by heating, copy, imitate, correct, make or rectify errors in, count, find the total of, create, bring into the existence, cry, shed tears, decide, make up one's mind, declared, make attractive by ornaments, decrease, make or become smaller or fewer, dedicate, devote to a cause or task, defeat, win victory over, deliver, take to an addressed, deposit, put down, destroy, pull or break down, develop, make or become larger, die, cease to be alive, direct, manage, discovered, find, discern, examine by argument, distribute, divide and share out, disturb, interfere with the arrangement of, divert, turn from a route, divide, separate into parts, diverse, in the one's marriage, doubt, feel uncertain of the truth, dry, make or become dry, earn, get for work, edit, make changes, elect, choose by vote, empty, make or become hollow, erase, rush out, estimate, make an approximate judge of, excuse, forgive, exhibit, put on show publicly, export, send goods for another country for sale, expose, leave uncovered. Face, confront boldly. Fade, to lose color. Fill, make or become fill. Filter, pass through a filter for purification. Float, rest or drift on the surface of liquid. Follow, go or come after. Fry, cook or be cooked in very hot fat. Fulfill, accomplish. Gain, obtain. Greet, address politely. Heal, cure. Heat, make or become hot. Help, assist. Import, bring from abroad for money. Improve, develop. Increase, make or become greater. Inform, give information to. Insult, speak or act so as to offend a person. Introduce, make a person know to another. Invite, ask a person politely to come. Join, unite, connect, be connected. Kill, came the death of. Kiss, touch with the lips. Knock, hit with an audible sharp blow. Laugh, make sounds and facial movement expressions, assumptions. Lick, pass the tongue over. Lie, say untruth. Lift, raise. Like, find pleasant. Listen, hear. Live, be or remain alive. Lock, fasten with a lock. Look, use or direct one's eye to see. Learn, gain knowledge of. Marry, an activity of a legal union of man and woman. Melt, make something solid liquid by heat. Memorize, recite. Mend, repair. Occupy, take control over something. Open, make or become someone or something to be able to enter. Pack, fill a bag. Paint, coat with paint. Feel, remove the skin from. Perish, die. Permit, allow. Plant, place in soil for growing. Play, engage in activity for pleasure and relaxation. Pluck, pull at or pull out or pull off. Polish, make smooth and shine by rubbing. Post, send letters by post. Pour, flow, cause to flow. Prepare, make ready for use. Print, press a mark on a surface. Produce, manufacture, bring into begin. Prolong, lengthen in extent or duration. Postpone, cause an event to take place later than was really planned. Promote, raise to a higher rank. Prove, demonstrate to be a true. Punish, cause an offender to suffer for his offense. Push, move forward by exerting force. Receive, acquire, take in. Receive, acquire, take in. Recite, memorize. Recommended, praise or suggest. Recommend, praise or suggest as suitable. Reject, refuse. Release, set free. Remove, take off, dismiss. Prepare, put right, damage to. Reveal, tell out a secret. Save, rescue. Sold, rebuke a child. Scold, rebuke a child. Sentence, pass sentence on a person. Shock, surprise and distress. Smoke, give out smoke. Spoil, make less good. Supply, provide. Talk, convey or exchange ideas by spoken words. Touch, bring into contact. Try, attempt. Use, utilize. Work, perform work, be employed. Thank you.